I do not care if I get insulted by a man or a woman, but if I get insulted by a kid, I want to cry because they do not lie. If they insult you, they said it because they truly believe it. Like one time I was at the airport just minding my own business and this little kid comes up to me and says, "Why do you have a pepperoni on your face?" So I pull my phone out to look at myself on the camera and I see nothing there. So I'm like, "What do you mean I have a pepperoni on my face?" And he puts his finger on my forehead and goes, "Right here." And I realized that he's talking about a pimple I had. So I laughed and went, "Oh, that's not a pepperoni, it's a pimple." And he goes, "Oh, that's really big." So I'm like, "Yeah, it is. Where are your parents?" Because when an older person insults you, you can fight back. But with a little kid, what am I supposed to say? You can't read? Of course he can't read, he's 4! So now anytime a little kid looks in my general direction, this is what I do. I'm just gonna run away from them every time now. I can't take any more ego hits.